Hello viewers, I am going to talk about the change of narration of imperative sentences. First, let me define an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses command, order, advice, prohibition, suggestion, etc. Example: go to market, bring a glass of water, cease fire. All these sentences are imperative sentences. If the reported speech contains an imperative sentence, it will change into indirect narration, into indirect speech as follows. Number one, the reporting verb in the indirect narration will be command, order, advise, suggest, etc. In place of double inverted comma, to is used. Then we start the reported speech with the main verb in the base form. Let me illustrate this rule with some examples. He said, bring a glass of water. He said, bring a glass of water. Bring a glass of water. This is an imperative sentence. It will change into indirect narration as below. He ordered to bring a glass of water. He said, rise early in the morning. Rise early in the morning. This sentence gives advice, so it will change into indirect narration as follows. He advised me, him, to rise early in the morning. To rise early in the morning. If the imperative sentence expresses negative statement, we use forbid as the reporting verb, followed by to and the base form of the verb. Example: the teacher said, don't make a noise in the class. Don't make a noise in the class. This sentence expresses negative statement. So it will change into indirect narration. Thus, the teacher forbade the students to make a noise in the class. To make a noise in the class. Mother said to her son, don't play in the cold. Don't play in the cold. It will change into indirect narration. Thus, mother forbade her son to play in the cold. To play in the cold. If the imperative sentence starts with let, it can express proposal or suggestion. It can express wish or desire, or it can express supposition. In that case, the reporting verb happens to be propose or suggest. The connective is that. We use they or we as the subject plus should plus verb. Example, he said, let us go on walk. He proposed that they should go on walk. Or he proposed that we should go on walk. Similarly, if the sentence expresses will, wish or desire, it will change into indirect narration as follows. He said, let me play cricket. He wished that he should be permitted to play cricket, or he should be allowed to play cricket. Similarly, if the sentence starting with let expresses supposition, it will change into indirect narration as follows. He said, let A, B, C be a triangle. Indirect. He supposed A, B, C to be a triangle. He said, let there be light. He supposed there to be light. Students and viewers, I think you must have understood how to change imperative sentence into indirect narration. Tomorrow I shall talk about the change of narration of optative sentences. Thanks.